Welcome back to Brooklyn College. If you're watching this video, you likely are enrolled in an approved hybrid course and will be attending class in person. To ensure compliance with CUNY and New York State health and safety procedures during COVID-19, Brooklyn College will be implementing a streamlined campus entry process and system called C-Entry. All approved hybrid courses will be loaded into the system in advance of your arrival on campus. Your name will appear in the system when you get there at least 10 to 20 minutes prior to your scheduled check-in time.
If you're coming to campus by car and have an approved parking permit for the lot, you will begin at the Ocean Avenue Avenue H entrance. Make sure you're masked up before opening your window. The public safety officer on duty will request your campus ID, your daily health screening on the Everbridge app, and will check to ensure you are listed on the C-Entry system. Campus public safety officers will deny access to anyone not following this protocol. After parking, we recommend taking the stairs rather than the elevator to the main level. If you're entering campus on foot, enter either at the Ocean Avenue Avenue H entrance, the Roosevelt Hall Bedford Avenue entrance, or the Whitehead Hall entrance on Campus Road. The same process applies here. Always wear a mask and present your campus ID and the daily health screening in Everbridge. Lastly, you will be checked in via the new C-Entry campus access system. Your patience is appreciated during these safety protocols. If you don't have the Everbridge app or there's a technical glitch, you can use the health kiosks provided to continue your check-in. Once the health kiosk screening gives you the all clear, you can head to your assigned hybrid classroom. Remember to take advantage of the hands-free sanitizer stations too, and the wipe dispensers in the West End building, Whitehead Hall or New Ingersoll. While on campus, you'll notice safety signage to guide you to your destination. Pay particular attention to social distancing. If you take the elevator, follow the posted maximum occupancy signs. Looking for water? Fill your reusable bottle at the bottle filling station. Hands-free is the safest way. You may have class in one of the Ingersoll Extension Science Labs. Your access to campus is limited to your classroom or lab. Please avoid wandering around as much as possible. While all common building areas, such as doorknobs and handrails, are disinfected several times a day, it's also important to make sure your workstation inside the classroom is sanitized. Take advantage of the sanitation stations in or near your classroom and follow official public health guidance on the use of face coverings.
At the end of the day, if you entered by foot, please exit the campus the same way you entered. If you're parked in the lot, drive out via the campus road exit. Remember, your safety and that of our faculty and staff is our absolute priority. Your patience and understanding during this challenging time is much appreciated. Thanks for watching.